What is a human? This might seem like a stupid question. This is a human. I am a human. How is this even a question? But that is not what I meant to say. Is our entire body the human, or is the human just the brain? The human brain controls everything in the body. It tells the heart to pump blood. Nerves send messages to the brain to allow the brain to lift your arms up and down. But if all of the body is controlled by the brain, is the human as a whole what makes a human, or is the body simply a conduit for the brain? This is a difficult question to answer, because more plays into being a human than simply the functionality of one's brain. I am sure many people would view a cyborg with a human brain as not human, or rather not fully human, despite the brain being what I consider needed for being human. Our human bodies share many similarities with that of our ancient ape ancestors of the past. However, it was not until 200,000 to 300,000 years ago that these were recognized as people, even though early hominid predecessors had been around for much longer. The only noticeable differences were better posture, less body hair, more stamina, and of course, higher brain function. So it would seem that our brains do play a part in our humanity. So once more, is the only part needed to become human the brain or the entirety of the human body? But more than the scientific view must also be considered. We must also consider the psychological view. Humanity has clearly set the parameters for being human as rigid as our skeletons are. Any being with a different physical appearance that alternates too much from the base human model is classified as a humanoid. So scientifically, it would seem that being human is decided by our brain, but psychologically it is viewed by our appearance.